Hi, good evening. My name is Sana Hamid, and I currently teach at Crescent School. I substitute sometimes. I don't really teach as a full-time teacher yet, but today during my lesson plan, I will be teaching first graders, and my lesson plan is about plants and what plants need in order for them to grow. And today I'll be having my first graders get to experience a hands-on activity. They will get to go in the uh, school backyard, and they'll try to experience how plants grow. They'll get to learn the little different parts of the plant, and they'll get to it'll be like a fun activity as well. So at the same time, they will be learning as well. Today, as a do now assignment, I wrote what I don't know if you can really clearly see it here, but it says what do plants need. I'll ask my students like as like a do now question, like a little review. I'll try to ask them different questions regarding what they know, what any prior knowledge they know about plants. So I would ask my students, what do plants need? Plants need nutrients. Plants need they need sunlight. They also need soil. And last but not least, the most important thing, plants need water. Okay. Now, this is a little brief book that I found interesting. It's called Plants and Animals. I know where my lesson plan is just about plants. This is a book about plants and animals for first graders. I thought I found it very interesting, and it's very, detailed, and it's very, the pictures are very nice in it, so it's easier for grade level 1, students to really get to see what plants are really all about. So, today I'm going to read a little book with it. Chapter 1 is called, I don't know if you can really clearly see it. Okay. Chapter 1 is called, What Do Plants Need? What do plants need? Many people grow plants. They grow plants in clay pots and window boxes. They grow plants in gardens and on farms. Some people grow plants to sell. People who grow plants know what plants need to live. We have a little woman here showing us what, how it is, when you, of course, plants need water in order for them to grow. There's a little picture here so, everyone can see what this woman is doing. Plants need water. They take up water through their roots. Water travels from the roots to the stems and the leaves. Now everybody can see what this whole big flower little, garden. So plants need nutrients, of course. And plants, just like humans, we need nutrients. We need water. We need food in order for us to as a to survive. That's how plants need their form of survival is nutrients, and the nutrients come from the soil. So when we plant, when we go outside, we'll see that for the first thing we're gonna do in our the cups that I give out everybody, we're gonna put soil in. All the nutrients, all the whatever they need, the energy that plants need, it's all in that soil, and they are mixed in the water that travels through the plants. So now we have over here, plants need sunlight, of course, just like, we need food, water, we need, sleep, we need to, in order for us to stay healthy, we need all these factors, just like plants need light. Leaves capture sunlight to make food for the plants. The food allows the plants to grow. Plants can store some of the food to use later. Now, right here we have a whole big field thing here, and this is, everybody can see this. Everybody can, notice how all the plants are, like equally proportioned out here. Plants need space. Roots need room in order for them to grow. If they're all, jumbled, mumbled together, it's not healthy for the plants, and they'll probably die out. Roots can't get enough water and nutrients if they are too crowded. So right here we see a little boy. He's planting with. There's a lot of empty space here, so it's easy for the plants to grow. Leaves that are too crowded can't get enough sunlight. So because it can, everybody, I'm going to put this a little closer so everybody can see. And do you guys think that this plant will have what it needs to grow big and strong? Of course. There's so much space here. There's going to be enough space for the plant to grow, for the roots to scatter out a little bit. Now, as like a little review session, I'm going to write 4 questions for everybody. Just a little brief, to see if everybody understood the lesson, to see if everybody know what plants need and what plants, what key ingredients we need in order for us to, in order for plants to grow. And the 4 questions are: what do plants need? Number 2 is: what part of a plant takes up water? And number 3 is: where do the nutrients for a plant come from? And number 4 is: what part of a plant captures light? So everybody will answer these 4 questions while I prepare the little hands-on activity that we go outside. I'm gonna take my first graders out to the schoolyard, and we will have I will have my students do a little hands-on activity. I will first show them the soil, then we'll have seeds to plant, and then we'll have I'll let the my students water the plants so they'll know each step of what to do. So basically